In today's video, I'm showing you how to make a quick, tasty, and super nutritious dry fruit smoothie. Packed with natural sweetness and energy-boosting ingredients, this smoothie is perfect for breakfast, post-workout, or an afternoon pick-me-up. So grab your blender, and let's get started on this quick and easy dry fruit smoothie. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents dry fruit milkshake. Take 4 to 5 dates. Remove the seeds. Dates are a nutrient-rich fruit that boosts energy and supports heart, bone health, and digestion. Their natural sweetness makes them a healthier alternative to refined sugars, while antioxidants help reduce inflammation. Eating 3 to 5 dates daily can provide these balanced benefits. Remove all the seeds and separate the dates. In a mixing bowl, add pitted dates. Add 10 pistachios, 5 to 6 cashews, 10 almonds, 2 walnuts, 1 tablespoon mixed seeds, 1 tablespoon raisins. You can also add 3 dried figs. Add some honey. Pour 1 cup hot milk. Pinch of green cardamom powder. 5 to 6 saffron threads. Give it a good mix. Soak it for 30 minutes to soften. Add the softened dry fruits into a blender. Take a ripe banana for creaminess. Remove the banana peel. Chop into pieces. Add chopped banana pieces into the blender jar. Add some ice if you want. Mixture is ready to blend into smoothie. Blend well. Blend everything until smooth. If you prefer it thinner, add a bit more milk. Tips: adjust sweetness if needed. The dates and banana usually add plenty of natural sweetness, and we also added honey. Enjoy this energy-boosting smoothie, perfect for breakfast or a post-workout snack. Our healthy, delicious dry fruit milkshake is ready to enjoy. Pour into glasses. Sprinkle some chopped nuts and seeds on top if desired. The benefits of this smoothie are rich in healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The dry fruits provide natural energy and make it a great drink for immunity, skin health, and sustained energy throughout the day. Serve chilled and enjoy your smoothie. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.